Appliance Flipper, Bravo dryer, unplug for safety reasons. Okay, with the dryer turned to remove the two backs. Remove the control panel. Remove it all together. Now remove control board. Move those two screws to take the lid off. Pop the lid off. Two screws on the left and the right. Disconnect the door switch and the interior light. Remove the 9 screws on the front. Remove the front panel. Remove the bulkhead. Remove the belt off the drum. Check element for continuity. Remove quarter-inch screw. Okay, remove both wires from the heating element. And slide the heating element out. Slide the new one in. And quarter-inch screw, slide that, locks it in. And reconnect the black and red wire to the element, and you're good.